देखिए, हमने जो वहाँ की स्थिति है उससे अवगत किया है, उन्हें बताया है कि वहाँ पे किस तरह से जो हुआ, क्या क्या हुआ है और किस तरह से लोग पूरी तरह से बर्बाद हो गए, क्योंकि जो नदी है उसकी धारा ही बदल गई, तो पूरा पहाड़ चले गया उसके साथ। तो यहाँ तक कि एक फोकस्ड एरिया में है नेचुरल डिजास्टर, लेकिन उसका जो इफेक्ट है बहुत ही ज़्यादा है और लोग पूरी तरह से, उनके पास कोई सपोर्ट सिस्टम नहीं बचा। लोगों के परिवार, लोगों के घर, उनके बिजनेसेस, पाठशालाएं, जो भी था सब बह गया है। तो इस परिस्थिति में अगर केंद्र सरकार कुछ न करे तो लोग क्या उम्मीद रख सकते हैं। तो हमने अपील ये भी की कि राजनीति को परे करके जो मानवता के तहत, मानवता के आधार पर जो हुआ है, वहाँ के लोगों को, वहाँ के बच्चों को मदद की जाए। मैंने ये भी जिक्र की कि मोदी जी गए थे और वो मिले पीड़ितों से, और जब मैं उन पीड़ितों से मिली, उनकी एक उम्मीद थी कि प्रधानमंत्री जी आए हैं, कुछ मदद मिलेगी, और अभी तक कुछ मदद नहीं मिली है। ये दुख की बात है और मैंने सिर्फ ये अपील किया है कि राजनीति को परे करते हुए जितनी मदद कर पाए करें। वी हैव गिवन representations to the Prime Minister also, Home Minister also. The devastation that has happened in that area is complete. It is a small area in which whatever was in the way of the river, when the river changed course, it has taken away. So it is not just a question of people losing one member of a family, or maybe some part of their home, or some part of their life. The people who are affected have lost absolutely everything. There are people who have lost every member of their family, young children. They have no support system. And in such circumstances, if the center cannot step up, then it sends a very bad message to the entire country actually, and especially to the victims. The Prime Minister visited, he met the victims. I personally spoke to them, and even after he met them, they expressed that now he has come, maybe we will get some relief from the center. 4 months have passed and that relief has not been forthcoming. So I have appealed to the Home Minister, and he has listened to us very kindly. I have appealed to him that we rise above politics and truly recognize the pain and the suffering that these people have gone through, because the suffering is immense. As I said, there are children who have lost every single member of their family. Who can they turn to if they cannot turn to Government of India, if they cannot turn for any help or assistance? Houses have been washed away. Everything has been washed away. So it is just on behalf of all the MPs of Kerala, it was our appeal to them that they should consider this very seriously and be more forthcoming with the relief so that these people can rebuild their lives.